Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro 13 Plus driver. So first come on this website dell.com, this official website. Okay, then click on support and then click driver and download. Then this is the search icon. So type Dell Pro 13 Plus. You can see there are two laptop. Okay, so but driver download and installations process same. Okay, after that you can see there are two method to install. First is automatic and second is manual, and specific you can install the driver. Suppose you are facing some issues of any single driver, so you can install. So that's why you have to select this one for, and this is automatically means required driver, it will install automatically. Okay, so manual, this select this driver. Yeah, so this is your series. Yeah, then slow down, click categorize. Slow down, come network driver ethernet wireless. So network ethernet wireless. Okay, so this is a Wi-Fi driver, and this is download icon. So click to download. So it will start downloading, you can see. Okay, one download in the pro, and it is completed. Then single click to open. After that click on yes. Then there are two methods to install the driver. Second is extract the file to your PC and then install after extract. Okay, and first it is installed directly from the extracted folder to your PC. So select the first and then click to continue. After that you can see it installing. Then you can see your software, your update is successfully installed Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and then click to close it.